2025 Ram 2500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, engine immobilizer. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.